Best track saws. Are you looking for the best track saws? In this video we will look at 5 of the best track saws on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Festool Plunge Cut Track Saw TS55. Premium, high-precision cutting tool designed for professional woodworkers and serious DIYers who demand accuracy and smooth performance. This saw delivers clean, splinter-free cuts with its advanced plunge cutting capability, making it ideal for trimming doors, cutting sheet goods, or executing detailed joinery work. The TS55 FEQF features Festool's latest generation of motor technology, offering powerful and consistent cutting performance across a variety of materials, including hardwoods, plywood, MDF, and laminate. Included with the saw is a 55-inch, 1,400 mm guide rail, which ensures straight and accurate cuts every time. The guide rail integrates seamlessly with the saw, thanks to Festool's precision engineering, allowing you to make long, clean cuts with minimal setup. The saw's micro-adjustable depth stop allows you to plunge with exact depth control, while the writhing knife reduces kickback and promotes safer operation. With fast-fix blade changing and variable speed control, users can easily adapt to different materials and applications. This model also boasts improved dust extraction when paired with a Festool dust extractor, ensuring a cleaner and healthier workspace. Built for portability, precision, and unmatched reliability, the TS55 FEQF Plus FS is the go-to track saw for cabinetry, furniture making, and on-site installations. Whether you're breaking down panels or fine-tuning joinery, this saw delivers professional results every time. Number 2. Evolution Multimaterial Cutting Circular Track Saw Kit. The Evolution Power Tools or 185 CCSX Multi-Material Circular Track Saw Kit is a versatile cutting solution designed to tackle a variety of materials including wood, plastic, metal, and more. It comes equipped with a 7 1/4 inch TCT, tungsten carbide tipped, blade, which is capable of delivering clean, precise cuts across a wide range of surfaces. One of the standout features of this kit is the inclusion of a 40-inch track, which helps guide the saw along straight lines for enhanced accuracy and professional-grade results ideal for applications like trimming doors, cutting sheet goods, or plunge cuts. The R185 CCSX is powered by a 15-amp high-torque motor, providing reliable performance and smooth cutting across materials. It features a depth of cut up to 2.5 inches at 90 degrees, and 1 13/16 inches at 45 degrees, making it suitable for both deep cuts and beveled edges. The track is designed to offer anti-slip and anti-bounce stability, helping to ensure straight, controlled cutting without the need for clamps in many cases. Additionally, the saw includes a dust extraction port, promoting a cleaner workspace by connecting to a vacuum system. The ergonomic handle and trigger design contribute to comfortable and safe operation during extended use. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional contractor, the Evolution R185 CCSX is a budget-friendly, all-in-one circular track saw that offers flexibility, cutting power, and precision for a wide variety of tasks, all with the convenience of a portable track system. Number 3. Makita XPS01 Plunge Circular Saw Kit. The Makita XPS01 is a versatile 6.5-inch plunge circular saw kit designed for precision and ease of use in woodworking and construction projects. This powerful tool features a smooth plunge mechanism that allows users to start cuts precisely in the middle of materials, making it ideal for creating grooves, cutouts, and detailed work. Equipped with a high-performance motor, the saw delivers consistent power for clean, accurate cuts across various wood types. Included in the kit is a 55-inch guide rail, which ensures straight, professional-grade cuts with minimal effort. The guide rail is perfect for cutting long panels, plywood sheets, or hardwood flooring, enhancing accuracy and reducing the need for manual measurements. Its lightweight and durable design makes it easy to transport and set up on job sites. Additionally, the kit comes with a stackable tool case, providing convenient storage and transport for the saw and its accessories. The case's design allows it to be securely stacked with other toolboxes, helping keep your workspace organized. Finished in Makita's signature blue, the XPS01 combines ergonomic design with outstanding functionality. It offers adjustable cutting depth and bevel capacity, accommodating a wide range of cutting angles and thicknesses. Whether you're a professional carpenter or a dedicated DIY enthusiast, this Plunge circular saw kit delivers precision, portability, and reliability for all your cutting needs. Number 4. Makita XPS01 PTJ 18V Cordless Plunge Circular Saw Kit. The Makita XPS01 PTJ is a powerful and versatile 18V X2 LXT lithium-ion, 36V, brushless cordless plunge circular saw kit designed for professional and DIY users who demand precision and efficiency. This saw features a 6.1/2-inch blade that delivers clean and accurate plunge cuts in a variety of materials such as wood, plywood, and composites. Thanks to its brushless motor technology, the tool runs more efficiently, providing longer runtime and extended motor life compared to traditional brushed motors. This kit includes two high-capacity 5.0Ah batteries, which allow for extended cordless operation without frequent recharging, making it ideal for longer jobs on the job site or at home. The ergonomic design offers superior comfort and control, reducing operator fatigue during prolonged use. One of the standout features of this circular saw is its compatibility with Makita's guide rail systems. The 39-inch 199,140/0 guide rail is sold separately, which enables users to make straight, precise cuts with ease. The plunge feature allows for flush cuts and inset cuts, making it perfect for applications like cutting openings for vents, electrical boxes, and more. Additionally, the saw includes a built-in dust collection port to help keep the workspace cleaner, improving visibility and safety. Lightweight yet durable, the Makita XPS01 PTJ is a top choice for anyone looking for a high-performance, cordless plunge saw that combines power, precision, and convenience. Number 5. Bosch 6.5-inch track saw with plunge action. The Bosch GKT13-225L track saw is a precision cutting tool designed for professionals and serious DIY enthusiasts who demand accuracy and versatility. Featuring a 6.1/2-inch blade, this saw delivers clean, straight cuts with ease, making it ideal for woodworking, cabinetry, and other detailed cutting tasks. Its plunge action design allows the user to start cuts anywhere on the material, giving excellent control and flexibility during operation. This track saw works seamlessly with its guide rail system to ensure precise, straight cuts without the need for additional measuring or clamping. The track keeps the saw aligned perfectly, reducing tear-out and minimizing errors. The GKT13-225L is especially useful for breaking down large sheets of plywood, MDF, or other panel materials, providing a clean edge every time. Ergonomics and portability are also well considered in the design. The saw features an easy-to-use trigger and comfortable grip, reducing user fatigue during extended use. It also includes a dust extraction port to keep the workspace cleaner and improve visibility. The Bosch GKT13-225L comes complete with a durable carrying case, making it convenient to transport and store while protecting the tool from damage. Its robust motor ensures reliable performance across a variety of materials, and the adjustable depth control lets users customize their cuts with precision. Overall, the Bosch GKT13-225L track saw is a powerful, accurate, and user-friendly tool that enhances productivity for professionals and hobbyists alike.